Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lola here, and today I have another super easy DIY. I know I always say this to you guys, but this one is definitely the perfect beginner project. And the good thing about this project is that it's easy, it's classy, and it's sexy. It's one of those outfits that once you dress up with some heels, a bit of lipstick, you know what I mean, it will just make you look on fleek. So yeah guys, a big thank you to all those that are watching my videos. I really appreciate you. You always make me want to come back and see you. So guys, let me show you how it's done. Okay guys, so the things we're going to need today for our tutorial is obviously our fabric, bias, chalk, pins, scissors and a ruler. Preferably a curved ruler, but you can freehand your curves. So here we go. So guys, for your fabric back measurements times 2 this way, and then like I said, the length measurement. So now I folded it into 4. So I folded it once, which is there, then I folded it again, making 2 times. So now we have 4 pieces. So now the first thing we're going to need to do is take our neck measurements. So the width of mine, take 4.5, and for the down measurement, I'm going to take 5. Then we're going to use our curve ruler. And then for the back measurement, we need to come down by what? Let's say 1. Our back measurement will be 1, and then the same thing we're going to do is get our curve. Our curve will be something more like this. So the first thing we're going to do is cut out our back measurement. And then what we need to do is separate the back and the front now. So remember, we folded it into 2. So we folded it once and then we folded it again. So we have a fold here. So we need to cut the fabric on this fold so that we can separate the back and the front. So now I want to separate it here. So we now have our back and our front. So the next thing we need to do is, well, the first thing I want to do quickly before I move on is actually cut these border bits off. That's not included in my measurements. Yep. And then the next thing we're going to do is hem the neck using our bias, the neckline, and then we're going to hem the sides, going in 1/2 inch once and then another 1/2 inch. So guys, you can see that I've ironed in my hem. So I went in, like I said before, 1/2 inch and then another 1/2 inch, and then we'll get a nice clean finish like this. I've done this for all the way around on both the back and the front, and then I've hemmed my bottom with 1/2 inch and then 1 inch. Yeah, so fold it in 1/2 inch once and then fold it in by 1 inch and then iron it down. The reason why I say iron it down is it just makes it a lot easier to sew. So now all I want to do now is hem the necks using my bias tape. Using the bias to hem the neckline tape, which looks like this. It has 2 folded pieces inside. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing this. So what you do is on the right side and right sides together, you pin these on. And then when you pin this all the way around, I'll just put 3 on, then I'll just show you guys, so we're not wasting time. So literally you pin it all the way around up to here, and then you see where this crease is on the bias, we're going to sew on that line here all the way around. So guys, now you can see we've sewn that on. So now what we're going to do is fold it over like so, and we're now going to stitch it down here. Keep watching, guys. So guys, we are now going to be hemming down all the edges. So don't forget to back stitch when you start, and let's go. So guys, you can see the neck is coming together. So I've now hemmed down all the sides, done the neckline. I've hemmed everything all the way down. So now I'm just trying to join the arm pieces, the shoulder pieces together like so. So I've done that one, so I'm now going to join this one together. So you basically put them together like this and pin. So we've sewn it across, so now we're going to turn this the right way. See now, so we've formed our shoulder, starting to look cute, nice and cute and neat. So we just need to press it out, and now we can do the straps. So we're going to need 4 strips of our interfacing, all the same measurements, 3.5 inches by 29 inches. So what we need to do now is on the wrong side, we need to iron on our interfacing like so, and we need to do that. We need to do this for all 4 pieces. So guys, we have our 4 pieces here for us. This is how we're going to create it. We have to have it like so. So now we're going to fold this in half, and we are now going to stitch all the way around from here. So we're going to stitch here all the way around, leaving an opening at this end so that we can turn the strap to the right side. So I've now sewn down the straps, as you can see. I've done it at an angle on the side here because I kind of want my straps to have this nice little sharp end. So I've done this to all of them, so now I need to turn them the right way round, which is what I'm doing now, which is going to be quite difficult, but it is what it is. So yeah, we need to kind of turn these around and then we are all done. First one, another easier way to try and do is actually not sew the bottom bit first. I'm going to cut this bit off now, and then I'm going to use my pin to turn it because I am fighting with that strap. And then I'm going to now turn my strap like this, which is a lot easier. So now push my pin inside and literally just push it. I just thought I'd show you. So you can do it either way. You can either do it, if you can turn yours, then so be it. But if not, you can do it this way, the way I'm showing you. And then, yeah. You can see I'm already there. I've been fighting with the other one for nearly. So now that I've turned this one, I'm going to tuck in the ends like so. And then I'm just going to stitch across there. Stitch across. So guys, I've turned them all around now and I've ironed them out. I've turned it in and now I'm going to sew it. Guys, our straps are done and we finished with this as well. So now we just need to attach the straps to the body. So what we need to do is mark from the shoulder our bust to waist measurement. And in my case, because I'm quite busty, it is about 21. I think your average waist is about 17. In the end, guys, I just tried on my top and I took my measurements, so it was 20 inches at the front and 16.5 inches at the back. So guys, this is how we attach our strap. So where we've left our mark, you want to kind of place the end, not the sealed end but the open end. You want to place it on the seam here. Not just kind of in the middle, not on the outside, because we don't want to see it on the outside. And then we're gonna stitch it down here. And then when we've stitched it down here, we are now gonna fold it over like so. And then we're gonna stitch it close to the edge like this. And then we do that on all 4 sides and then we are done. So that's it, guys.